Hello students, today I am going to solve some questions of exercise 4. In the last attachment I have given few solution, and here I am going to solve you. Just see question number 23. I don't have book, that's why I have written the questions. Look this. After 23 I will tell you 26, 28, and if it will not be in this video, then it will be in the attachment file. So kindly cooperate. कि solve the following in equation. Write down the solution set and represent it on the number line. So inequality is given -2 plus 10x is less than or equal to 13x plus 10, and which is less than 24 plus 10x, where x belongs to integer. So two inequalities are there, so we shall take separate, divide the page two parts. Here I am going to write -2 plus 10x is less than or equal to 13x plus 10, and here I am going to write 13x plus 10 is less than 24 plus 10x. So what to do? Bring the variables one side and constant another side. So I am taking this 10x this side, right hand side, and this 10 I am bringing it to left hand side. So -2 or -10 is less than or equal to 13x minus 10x. It is going to be 12, and this is going to be 3x divided by 3. So this 3 cancel, and here it is going to be 4. It means -4 is less than or equal to x, or we can write x is greater than or equal to -4. Okay, now coming to the second inequality. Bring this 10x this side and this 10 that side. So 13x minus 10x is less than 24 minus 10. So that is 3x, and here it is going to be 14. So divided by 3, this cancel. X is less than 14 upon 3, or x is less than 3 4 whole 2 upon 3. Now 4 whole 2 upon 3. Now we have to find the value of z, and z's are integers. तो for that, यहाँ देखिए x is greater than or equal to -4. So -4 is integer. It means x belongs to -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 whole 2 upon 3. It is more than 4. It means till 4 it will be there, and since it is less than this total figure, so next integer we shall not take, and this is the solution. And at the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3, or -4, and we have to take the integers only. So at this -4, -3, -2, 0, it means fractions and decimal numbers will not be there. That's why we have plotted this. Question number 26. Here two inequalities are given. It is saying that if P is the solution set of this, and Q where x belongs to, चलिए, तो P is the P is the solution set of question number 26. It is saying that minus 3x plus 4 is less than or equal to 2x minus 3 and x belongs to n. Here इसका solution set है P. So let us find, bring this 3 this side and this minus 3x that side. So 4 plus 3 is less than 2x plus 3x, यानी कि 7 और ये हो जाएगा is less than 5x, या divided by 5 कर दें तो x is greater than 7/5 or x is greater than 1/2/5. Understand? It means x belongs to P, therefore P is equal belongs to, यहाँ देखिए 1 नहीं आएगा क्योंकि x is greater than 1/2/3, 1 से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा उससे बड़ा है, तो नेक्स्ट नेचुरल नंबर विल बी 2. तो 2, 3, 4 डॉट 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 अप टू and so on. और फॉर Q कह रहा है सेकेंड 4x minus 3 is less than 12 where x belongs to W, मतलब होल नंबर. तो कुछ नहीं करना है, -3 इधर लाइए. तो 4x minus 3 is less 4x 12 plus 3, या 4x is less than 15 divided by 4 and here also divided by 4. So 4 cancel. X is less than 4 3 ja 12, 12 और 3 15/4. So since it's W, तो W Q is equal to, Q belongs to W है, तो Q is equal to 3 से जो थोड़ा सा बड़ा नंबर है 3 होल 3/4 उससे ये छोटा है. तो 0, 1, 2 and 3 will be also here. Now we have to find the value of पहला, the first value I have to find, that is first one, P intersection Q. The value of P was 2, 3, 4 dot to put it on, or Q 0, 1, 2 or 3. Only this. So common portion is 2 and 3. It means P intersection Q is equal to 2, 3. And Q minus P. तो Q में से P वाले टर्म्स को अगर माइनस कर दें तो 2, 3, 4 that will be minus, तो it will be remaining 0, 1. So this is the question. And then now I am going to explain you question number 30. More questions are there that you will see in the attachment 5. Question number 30. Last 2 questions I want to explain because that is a theoretical question. We have to form first inequality and then that's why I am not solving more question here. I given that 20 minus 5x is less than 5/x plus 8. Then find the smallest value of x. ये देखिए बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन कह रहा है. Given that 20 minus 5x is less than 5 into x plus 8, find the smallest value of x when x belongs to integer, whole number and here natural number. So first we are going to find the value of x. First let us open the bracket. So 20 minus 5x is less than 5x plus 40. Bring this 40 this side and 5x this side. So 20 minus 40 is equal to 5x plus 5x. Yeah, minus 20 is less than 10x divided by 10. So minus 2 is less than, x is greater than minus 2. So first is find the smallest. There is smallest value of x when पहला चीज x belongs to integer. So x belongs to integer, minus 2 is also integer, but minus 2 is not here, so x will be equal to minus 1. In second case, x belongs to whole number, so whole number x is greater than minus 2, so minus 2 and minus 1 both are not whole numbers, 0 is whole number, so smallest whole number is 0, and x belongs to natural number, so this minus 2 is there, so minus 2, minus 1 and 0, these three are not the whole number, natural numbers. The smallest natural number will be x is equal to 1. So value of x will be, smallest value of x will be when x is integer minus 1, whole number minus 2 and natural number minus 3. Now the next question I have taken, that is question number 25. Can I find the greatest integer which is such that if 7 is added to its double, the resulting number becomes greater than 3 times the integer. Okay, this is question number 34. Together लेते हैं let that integer is x. Okay, let that integer is x. The question is, if 7 is added to twice of that integer, it means पहले twice of integer 2x or plus 7, it is greater than 3x. ठीक है ना, it is greater than 3x. or send this 2x that side. Let me see the the number becomes greater than 3 times of the integer. Okay, then this is greater. ठीक है, तो send this 2x that side. तो 7 is greater than 3x minus 2x. 7 is greater than x, or we can write x is less than 7. So x is less than 7 and x is integer, the greatest integer will be, this implies that greatest integer is what? 6, because 7 is, x is less than 7, 7 से छोटा है, तो 7 से छोटा और सबसे बड़ा जो इंटीजर है that is 6. Now the next question is, कह रहा है 1/3 of a bamboo pole is buried in mud and 1/6 of it is in water, and the part above the water is greater than or equal to 3 meters. Find the length of the shortest pole. Shortest, earlier it was greatest, now it is shortest. Okay, so look this question number 35. Let the length of pole is x meter. Okay, the 1/3 is buried. The length in mod, right? I'm writing like this: length of pole in mud, that is x upon 3. That is x upon 3, and 1/6 of it is in water, and the length of pole in water, that is x upon 6. So rest part, therefore rest part is equal to, टोटल में से इन दोनों को ऐड करके माइनस कर देंगे, तो x अपॉन 3 प्लस x अपॉन 6, तो x अपॉन ये हो जाएगा 6 एलसीएम, ये 2x प्लस 3, 2x प्लस x, ओके, या x अपॉन ये हो गया, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी 3x अपॉन 6, यानी कि x बाई 2. तो इट मीन्स therefore half of part is above water. Okay, half of part is above water. और कह रहा है this, जो बचा हुआ है, द रिमेनिंग इज ग्रेटर देन आर इक्वल टू 3, यानी कि x अपॉन 2, अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन x अपॉन 2 इज ग्रेटर देन आर इक्वल टू 3, और x इज ग्रेटर देन आर इक्वल टू 6. तो ग्रेटर देन यानी कि x की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी, x बिलोंग्स टू 6, 7, 8 dash dash dash. So we have to find the shortest. Therefore shortest length of pole is 6. ये सबसे छोटा है, इसलिए 6. Okay, thank you. Keep watching. Stay at home and stay safe. Thank you.